Gavin's first roller coaster. Let's hope he doesn't scream because it's so fast. Where is he? Ah, there he is. He's still in it. Here he comes.
Yay, Gavin!
He likes it.
He's so cute. You gotta take a video when it gets closer.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take it all the way over. I'm actually talking to it right now. That's Leah bossing me around.
Long videos take a while to... We should have put him in the front car. Oh well.
Taking really long time for him to get to us.
That's good. If it went too fast, it could be dangerous. Because he could figure out how to get out of the seatbelt.
Alright, here he comes. Eventually. There we go. Alright, Gavin, yay!